Hello, everybody. It's Jody from Barcoding Inc. I wanted to talk to you a little bit today about something new that Barcoding is bringing to the table, and that is that we have become a silver member of the GS1 US Solution Partner Program, and this designates our commitment to delivering services and solutions that enable quick, efficient, and accurate GS1 standards implementation. So this is a great milestone for Barcoding, and I wanted to talk to one of my colleagues today to learn a little bit more. But just for some background, GS1 US is the information standards organization that brings industry communities together to improve supply chain business processes through the adoption and implementation of GS1 standards. The GS1 system of standards, the most widely used information standards in the world, uniquely identifies products, services, assets, and locations worldwide to support supply chain visibility and efficiency. The GS1 US Solution Partner Program that Barcoding is now a part of connects users with solution providers like us that have proven standards expertise. So this is a great thing for Barcoding and our customers. And so that's why I've invited Adam to join me today. Adam, could you please give a short introduction, who you are and why this is such a great, exciting topic for you?
Sure. So Adam Eby, I've been with Barcoding actually coming up almost on a year, started back in August of last year. And just this year, one of the tasks, there's been a lot of interest because of the GS1 Walmart mandate for compliance as Walmart expands their GS1 initiative to get Barcoding some exposure to the GS1 standards. So that was something I was tasked with earlier. Did my GS1 Foundations online training, and then just recently completed the GS1 professional designation as well.
Congratulations, it's a great accomplishment, and I know that maybe folks don't quite understand the effort that goes into those certifications, but it's immense, and we really appreciate you doing that for all of us. So thank you, Adam.
Nope, absolutely.
Well, I wanted to just start our conversation today. I know that standards have always been important. You mentioned a couple triggering events right now that are increasing the need for standards. So the Walmart mandates and other retailer mandates. But maybe let's just take a step back and why is following a global standard like that, those of GS1, so important for customers who are trying to do commerce in today's world?
No, absolutely. I mean, really the biggest impact that GS1 has had up to this point is UPC barcodes on every retail item. That system for implementing a worldwide scheme for uniquely identifying trade items is what GS1 delivers via their standards. So it really, what we're kind of at this point getting into is the expansion of that as it moves towards RFID based, as kind of the key fundamentals with the GS1 standards is you've got identification. How do you uniquely identify trade items, companies, entities, locations, services, service providers, service recipients, and that's all part of what GS1 delivers. So you've got that identification, then you've got the capture piece, which gathers that data that typically in the past has been done via barcodes, UPC codes, and is now expanded into EPC, the electronic product code, RFID, implemented via the RAIN RFID standards to identify items without having to optically scan barcodes. And then sharing, that's the final piece of that, is that information is shared between trading partners, retailers, consumers, all throughout the supply chain. So GS1 is essentially responsible for bringing all of that together.
So identify, capture, share. Those are the three pillars, right?
Yeah, the three legs of the stool, basically, that GS1 kind of rests on.
Yeah, and that fits so nicely into kind of how Barcoding has always worked with our customers, because we like to follow our own process people technology format. And what I like is that we now, as part of the solution program and with your certifications, we're able to blend this expertise with some of the other solutioning that we do for clients, right? But to me, it sounds a little complicated. So how does a customer, so an organization's out there, they want to maybe extend the use of standards or even just make sure that they're doing the right things. How can we help them make sense of all this?
No, it can be a little bit daunting. GS1 has a fantastic amount of resources available on their GS1 website. Much of it free. A lot of little short presentations that you can sit through, but it can be daunting. They do love their acronyms. It's G10s and GLNs and SSSCs, and it can get a little bit overwhelming. And that's where we're here to help, kind of wade through, work with customers, understand, all right, what is it that you actually need to track, what it is you need to capture, and then what would be the standards that would be applicable to doing that.
Awesome. And we have, for those who are watching, we have experts who are kind of blending. They're bringing that labeling and printing expertise, kind of from a traditional barcode standpoint. And we have our team of our RAIN RFID experts, and you guys are working super close together on initiatives like this.
Yep, hand in hand, definitely.
Yeah, and I think that's one of the ways that barcoding is unique. So for those watching and you want to find a credible partner, this is one of the reasons why we were part of that GS1 program, because we bring it all. Awesome. Well, so I know that, we want to keep pressing forward. We want to continue to be a really good partner for customers. What do you have kind of right on the horizon that you think would be really important for folks to know about?
Sure. Yeah. The next, so GS1 has a program. It's a US Certified Identification Professional designation. So it's another bit of training and then an exam process that has to go through. And once I've had a chance to actually work through that, that will actually give Barcoding Inc. the ability to work directly with customers. They come in, they don't even have to touch the GS1 process if they don't want to. We can handle that entire part of the transaction for them.
That's awesome. And I know that that's an exciting part of the plans. Between now and then, though, I would highly encourage folks to reach out. You'll be able to connect with folks like Adam on our team, and we can start to help you form a plan. I think that's probably one of the strongest areas that we bring, one of our strongest values, be able to help you build that plan, right? Build out the right way to approach this, the right scope, the right timing, that sort of thing, right?
Nope, absolutely.
Awesome. Well, any final thoughts on GS1 standards, kind of anything else that's really exciting you that you want to share?
No, it's a lot to take in, but I think kind of the thing to keep in the back of your mind is from chaos they bring order. So there is a light at the end of the tunnel. It can be worked through, definitely.
Yes, and we are here to help. Thank you so much, Adam. Again, Barcoding is now a silver partner in the GS1 Solutions Partner Program. And folks like Adam on our team, he's not the only one, but folks like Adam on our team are here to help you make sense of this and to expand your use of standards to make order out of chaos. I love that. And let's not forget those pillars: identify, capture, and share. Just great stuff there. So thank you so much for joining me today, Adam. And we look forward to hearing from all of you out there. If you have questions about GS1 standards, RAIN RFID, item level visibility, source tagging, blah, blah, blah. You have questions, we've got answers. So please reach out. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.
Thanks.